Paper in Leonardo's day was handmade from rags which were beaten to a pulp, and the paper was formed by dipping a sieve, called a mould, into the vat of pulp. Leonardo, like most artists of his period, would have drawn in ink using a quill pen, much like this, made from a goose feather. So I've had these feathers baking for about an hour in hot sand to harden the end of the quill and to absorb some of the oils. We have to first of all scrape away the membrane from the tip of the quill, cut the quill to a convenient length, about a hand span, and then have to make 2 cuts and then cut the tip square and inscribe a small groove inside the tip of the nib to allow the ink to flow towards the tip. The type of ink that Leonardo used was made from oak gall, gum arabic and iron sulphate. What the quill allows the artist to do is to draw very fine lines when he wants to, and Leonardo used that technique on a lot of his anatomical drawings to get the very, very sharp delineations of shade on curved surfaces. Equally though, he could use the pen as a means of working out his designs, and it was a very creative process using almost scribbly lines. We've got natural black chalk here, which is very rich in carbon, and we've got natural red chalk, which is rich in iron. And the reason that Leonardo used these materials was to allow him a sort of freer style of drawing. It's quite hard with this kind of chalk to achieve the delicacy of line that you see, for example, in the study of the man from behind. I'm now going to try the black chalk, and this is a good deal harder. And this is much more like the quality of material that Leonardo had available to him. Leonardo frequently used black chalk as an underdrawing to some of his ink drawings, particularly the anatomical drawings.